Welcome to our channel. Today we're embarking on a cosmic journey to explore the top 10 habitable planets outside our solar system. So let's dive right in and explore these fascinating exoplanets, each more intriguing than the last. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting space content. Our first stop takes us to Proxima Centauri b, a planet that orbits the closest star to our Sun, Proxima Centauri. Just over 4 light-years away, this exoplanet sits within the habitable zone where temperatures could be just right for liquid water. This proximity makes Proxima Centauri b an enticing target for further study. Imagine the possibilities if we find evidence of life on a planet so close. It would redefine our understanding of our place in the universe. While Proxima Centauri b resides in the habitable zone, its environment might be drastically different from Earth's. We're still learning about its atmosphere, potential for water, and other factors crucial for life as we know it. Next up, we're taking a giant leap to the TRAPPIST-1 system, located roughly 40 light-years away in the constellation Aquarius. Here we find 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting an ultra-cool red dwarf star. Among these planets, TRAPPIST-1e stands out as a prime contender for habitability. 3 of these planets, including TRAPPIST-1e, are in the habitable zone, making the possibility of finding liquid water and potentially life tantalizing. Imagine the view from the surface of TRAPPIST-1e, a crimson-hued sky with 6 other planets gracing the heavens. Red dwarf stars are known for their powerful flares, which could pose a threat to any potential life on their orbiting planets. Our cosmic voyage now takes us about 500 light-years away to Kepler, 186th planet that holds a special place in the annals of astronomy. It was the first Earth-sized planet discovered orbiting within the habitable zone of another star, a discovery made by the Kepler Space Telescope in 2014. Kepler 186f orbits a red dwarf star, Kepler 186, and while it's slightly larger than Earth, its position within the habitable zone makes it a prime candidate for further investigation. At 500 light-years away, studying Kepler 186f in detail presents a significant challenge. Imagine a world bathed in the warm glow of its red dwarf sun, with potential oceans teeming with life adapted to a different kind of sunlight. Buckle up, space enthusiasts, because we're about to encounter a super-Earth, a planet significantly larger and more massive than our own, but still potentially habitable. Say hello to Kepler 442b, located about 1,200 light-years away in the constellation Lyra. This intriguing exoplanet is about twice the size of Earth and boasts a mass roughly 6 times greater. Scientists believe it could be a rocky world with a surface and an atmosphere, making it a prime candidate for harboring liquid water. If you were to stand on the surface of this super-Earth, you'd experience a year that's only about 2/3 as long as an Earth year. Further observations and analysis are needed to determine if it truly lives up to its potential as a haven for life. Our cosmic quest for habitable planets now takes us about 40 light-years away to LHS 1140b, another intriguing super-Earth orbiting a red dwarf star. This particular exoplanet has piqued the interest of scientists for its potential to harbor life. Scientists estimate that it's significantly denser than Earth, suggesting a composition rich in rock and possibly even a substantial amount of water. LHS 1140b orbits its star in a mere 25 days, which means it's tidally locked. One side of the planet perpetually faces its star, basking in eternal daylight, while the other side remains shrouded in perpetual darkness. If LHS 1140b possesses a substantial atmosphere, it could distribute heat more evenly, potentially creating more temperate conditions across its surface. Prepare for another super-Earth encounter as we journey to Gliese 667cc, located 22 light-years away in the constellation Scorpius. This exoplanet, about 4 times as massive as Earth, orbits a red dwarf star within the habitable zone, making it a prime candidate for further investigation. It completes an orbit in just 28 days, which means it's tidally locked with one side perpetually facing the star. If Gliese 667cc possesses a substantial atmosphere, It could distribute heat more evenly, potentially creating more temperate conditions across its surface. Imagine a world with a blazing hot side and a frigid cold side, separated by a potentially habitable terminator zone. Some believe that life could adapt to such extreme conditions, potentially thriving in the twilight zone between perpetual day and night. Our cosmic exploration now takes us to K218b, a super-Earth located about 124 light-years away in the constellation Leo. This exoplanet, discovered in 2015 by the Kepler Space Telescope, has garnered significant attention because it's the first habitable zone planet known to contain water vapor in its atmosphere. K218b is about 8 times the mass of Earth and orbits a red dwarf star, completing an orbit in roughly 33 days. Imagine a world shrouded in clouds with potential oceans or lakes on its surface. Let's hop over to Wolf 1061c. A super-Earth residing just 14 light-years away in the constellation Ophiuchus. This proximity makes it one of the closest potentially habitable planets to our solar system, offering a tantalizing target for future observations and study. Wolf 1061c is about 4 times as massive as Earth and orbits a red dwarf star, completing an orbit in a brisk 18 days. Wolf 1061c's proximity to Earth makes it an ideal candidate for future telescopes to scrutinize its atmosphere, searching for telltale signs of life. Our penultimate stop takes us to Ross 128b, a planet that's captured the attention of astronomers for its potential to be the most temperate world discovered beyond our solar system. Located just 11 light-years away in the constellation Virgo, this exoplanet orbits a red dwarf star that's much cooler and less active than our Sun. Ross 128b is about 1.8 times the mass of Earth and orbits its star in a mere 9.9 days. This has led scientists to believe that the planet's surface temperature could be remarkably similar to Earth's, potentially ranging from -60 to 20 degrees Celsius. Our final destination on this cosmic adventure brings us to Teegarden Star B, one of the most promising candidates for habitability discovered to date. Located 12.5 light-years away in the constellation Aries, this exoplanet orbits a red dwarf star that's much smaller and cooler than our Sun. Teegarden's Star B is slightly more massive than Earth and resides within its star's habitable zone, completing an orbit in just 4.9 Earth days. This has led scientists to estimate that the planet's surface temperature could be around 28 degrees Celsius. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. While we've only scratched the surface of what there is to learn about these exoplanets, one thing's for certain. The universe is brimming with possibilities. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content about the universe. Until next time, keep looking up and never stop exploring the cosmos.